Did you know that the global cryptocurrency market cap has grown by over 1,600% in the last 5 years? And in the past decade, the total market value of cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed by of 9,000%? That's right. Crypto isn't just a trend. It's shaping the future of finance. What started as a niche digital experiment has turned into a global investment phenomenon. If you're new to crypto and want to learn how to invest wisely, this video is for you. Welcome, I'm CryptoVicious, where we break down complex crypto topics and make them simple for everyone to understand. Today, we're talking about crypto investing for beginners. Lately, there has been a lot of talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or different altcoins, but if you aren't sure where to start, we're here to guide you through the essentials of crypto investing. If you've been curious about getting started with cryptocurrency and want to make smart investment decisions, this video is for you. Cryptocurrency is becoming an integral part of today's financial landscape. Whether you're looking for a new investment opportunity or just want to understand how digital currencies work, mastering crypto can open up endless financial possibilities. We're breaking down everything you need to know to begin your crypto journey, from the history of crypto to market evaluation, the best coins to invest in, and even a glimpse into the future of cryptocurrency. So, let's dive right in. For beginners, the world of cryptocurrency can seem overwhelming. With thousands of coins, complex technologies like blockchain, and highly volatile markets, it's easy to feel lost. Common questions like which coin should I invest in, or how do I keep my investments safe, are challenges that all new crypto investors face. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be exploring the fundamental concepts that will help you navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. First, let's talk about the history of cryptocurrency and some important concepts. The most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, we've seen the rise of thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its unique features and use cases. What makes Bitcoin revolutionary is that it doesn't rely on central authorities like governments or banks. Instead, it uses blockchain technology, which is essentially a decentralized ledger of all transactions made across a network. A blockchain is a series of blocks that contain transaction data. Every time a transaction is made, it's added to the blockchain, and once it's there, it's nearly impossible to alter. This ensures transparency and security because no single entity has control over the entire network. This technology ensures trust without the need for middlemen like banks, making it a game changer for industries beyond just crypto. Bitcoin was the first use case, but since then, many cryptocurrencies have emerged, including Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts. Now, let's talk about how cryptocurrencies have evolved. There are two major models for validating transactions: proof of work and proof of stake. Bitcoin uses proof of work, where miners solve complex puzzles to validate transactions. While it's secure, this method uses a lot of energy and can be slow. In contrast, proof of stake, used by coins like Ethereum, is more energy efficient and faster. Instead of mining, validators are chosen based on how many coins they hold and are willing to stake. Evaluating the cryptocurrency market can be tricky because it's different from traditional investments like stocks or real estate. One of the key factors to look at is a cryptocurrency's utility and community size. Does the project have real-world applications? Does it have a strong user base? Some examples of strong cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have widespread adoption and solid teams behind them. But it's important to remember that not all coins have the same potential. That's why a lot of newer or smaller coins can be highly volatile. So, what are the best cryptocurrencies to invest in? Based on factors like utility, community size, and leadership, here are a few top picks. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency, considered a store of value and often referred to as digital gold. 2. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contract functionality, Ethereum is the backbone for decentralized apps, dApps. 3. Solana, SOL, a fast-growing blockchain platform designed for decentralized apps and NFTs, known for its speed and scalability. So, how do you invest in crypto? Here are some key strategies. 1. Do your research. Each cryptocurrency operates differently. Bitcoin is often seen as a store of value, like digital gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, supports decentralized applications, which could revolutionize industries. Before you invest, take the time to understand the use case, team, and market potential of a coin. Research-based investing is a great way to learn about the asset and having a solid foundation on what you are investing in. This is where you dive deep into the technology and the team behind the asset. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Just like traditional investing, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. With over 22,000 cryptocurrencies out there, it's crucial to spread your investment across different coins. Bitcoin and Ethereum are a solid starting point, but other coins like Solana and other altcoins also show great potential. The market is volatile, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype of a coin skyrocketing in value. But by spreading your investments across different types of coins and projects, you can reduce the impact of market downturns. 3. Keep risk management in mind. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility. Prices can swing dramatically within a short period. It's important to have a risk management strategy, which may include only investing money you can afford to lose and setting stop-loss orders. 4. Dollar cost averaging. A good investment strategy is to dollar cost average. In other words, put in little at a time and invest money in the coin or asset you are interested in regardless of price. That way you do not have to think about getting absolute bottom or top, and you will not be stressing if the price goes up or down while slowly building up your position. Here's a crucial insight for all beginners. Diversification and risk management are your best friends in the world of crypto investing. You wouldn't invest all your savings into a single stock, so don't do that with crypto either. A balanced portfolio with exposure to different cryptocurrencies reduces risk and increases the chances of benefiting from future trends. Another key takeaway: security. Keep your crypto investments safe by using a reliable wallet. There are different types of wallets. Hardware wallets like Ledger are more secure for long-term holding, while mobile apps like Coinbase Wallet are convenient for everyday use. Now let's talk about the future of cryptocurrency. While no one can predict the future with certainty, it's clear that crypto is more than just a trend. We're already seeing governments like El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender and institutional players like BlackRock filing for Bitcoin ETFs. In the long term, we may see cryptocurrencies integrated into everyday life, from paying rent to buying groceries. Imagine a future where you earn your salary in crypto and all financial services are decentralized through projects like DeFi or Web3. The potential is massive. If you found this video about crypto investing for beginners helpful, be sure to check out our other videos where we dive deeper into crypto investment strategies, passive income through crypto, and how to analyze the market. Remember, while crypto offers incredible opportunities, it's essential to do your research and stay informed. Here at CryptoVicious, we're dedicated to helping you navigate this complex world with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, this is not financial advice, and please do your own research. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.